Hi, it's Emilia here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just want to quickly show you my order from Bloomar Designs. Look how beautifully it is packed. I love opening the box and just seeing the beautiful pack inside. So I'm just going to unpack it with you. It was a week ago or maybe a bit more. I said to the lady she do not need to hurry with my order, and yeah, I want to see all these beautiful pieces. I'm super excited because I love the chipboards, and I ordered some I didn't have before, so yay. Take a look. Let me just take that off, or maybe we can do it like that. So this is a 3D pram for a girl or for a boy, and I've ordered probably everything is like twice in the pack because I wanted to have, you know, more than one chipboard of each design. So I've got a mixture. Look at that beautiful frame. Mixture of everything. This is the toolbox. I've seen it on the website. It's just beautiful. You can make an exploding box with it. And I also ordered some corks, like you can see, because I wanted something for masculine cards, frames, windows. I love windows, and this is great for Christmas. I already ordered some Christmas chipboards because I just you know, thought that maybe soon I will start doing some cards. This is the Halloween, so we've got actually a few of the Halloween designs. Look at them, they're so pretty. I just love them. Pumpkins, more Christmas. This is really beautiful. Oh, and I love these as well. So gorgeous. I really like to add chipboards to my projects because some are very delicate, some has really beautiful designs. It's a lovely element, adding interest to your projects. I will link the Bloomar Design pages under the video, so you can take a look there. Look at that, with love, ho ho ho, for you. These are lovely tags. Oh, and I've got some of the summer stuff as well. I'm not sure we will go anywhere, but if not, maybe I will create something with the photos from last year. Why not? Beautiful frames and wreaths, more cocks, gears, whatever you call them. I think both names are good. So I've got some hearts and some writing like Mr. and Mrs. because I thought that maybe some weddings will be back, like, I mean, will happen still this year. So yes, so I wanted to have these more frames. They all super pretty, and more gears. And even those frames, smaller and bigger version, super pretty. And another one, this is like it can be a frame or just embellishment. Pretty hearts. What else? Oh, I've got the sledge. This is the 3D to go into exploding box. I used it last year, it looks amazing. And another version of them, this is just, the other was like a Santa sledge, and this is like ordinary one. What's that? This is the toolbox, but it's got a heart instead of wording tools, or like a basket. A lantern, which I had a beautiful exploding box last year with that lantern. It's so pretty. It fits as exploding box again. You know, I love making exploding boxes, so yeah. More embellishments for masculine cards. I'm hoping to make them more often because it really, I don't do many. So this is bride and groom, hearts, more frames. This is the bigger version of the other frame, so, because some of the chipboards are smaller and bigger, and this is another version which is like double layered. So you will find sometimes a design in few different versions. Bride and groom frame. I really like these frames. I was using them a lot. They are super lovely. And again, some summer. I don't know if you can see, look at the detail on the chipboards. Can you see the how you call it? You know, not drawing on it, like amazing. And this is another pram, and actually 3 prams here, and those elements, floral branches. So this is it. This made my day. I just wanted to show them to you because maybe you will like some of the designs, and check the links below the video. Have a lovely day. Take care.